The black desert cobra, or Walterinesia aegyptia, is a highly venomous snake found in the Middle East. Its shiny black scales and nocturnal habits make it a fascinating yet dangerous predator. Unlike other cobras, it doesn't spread a hood before striking, relying on its speed and agility. To protect yourself from this snake, avoid walking in desert areas at night, wear protective footwear, and use a flashlight to spot any potential threats. If you encounter one, stay calm and slowly back away to avoid provoking it. For more interesting facts, life hacks, and fun content, please subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more educational and entertaining videos.